Hello.
My voice clear?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes. Actually, the conversation is lagging a bit.
Yeah, it might be the connection.
Yeah, that's right. It's okay. How are you doing?
Yeah, very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much. And
Mm.
where are you now, Liz?
I'm in the United States in Texas.
Okay, you're from Texas. I watched your introduction video,
Mm?
and but I asked because sometimes the tutor changed the place,
Mm.
right?
Yeah, many tutors move to
Yeah,
maybe different countries and so on, or they like traveling.
that's why. Okay, what's the time
And
now?
what
May I
about
know
you?
the time, please?
Well, where I live, it's 11 a.m. 11:01 a.m.
Okay, okay, I got it. And it's 9:28. Well, Liz, I want to ask that if I visit Texas,
Mm.
so which places would you recommend to visit?
Well, many people like Austin. Austin is the capital of Texas, and it's also
Okay,
a
Austin.
city that many people enjoy going to because there are many things to do
Okay,
in Austin. And
and how
Houston, I
far
guess.
Austin is from you?
Austin is maybe about 5 or 6 hours.
Okay, and
Yes.
Austin. Okay, and you said the next one is Houston, right?
Houston, yeah, it's a major city in Texas. There are many
Can you
job
repeat, please? Did
opportunities
you
there.
say metro city or major city?
It's a major city.
Okay, so where should I go first?
Well, Mm, probably Houston because Houston has an international airport. Many flights go to Houston, so it would be easier to get to
Okay.
Houston because of that. And of course, if you're interested in space, there's NASA in Houston.
Okay, okay. I got it now.
Mm-hmm.
So NASA is in Houston, right? This
Mm-hmm.
is the exact location.
Right. Yes,
All right. Thank you so
and
much.
then you would go maybe to Austin and San Antonio because they're near each other. And if you want to go to the beach, then maybe
San
you would want to
Antonio,
go
yes. I heard of it
maybe to
before. Mhm.
South Padre Island, or Galveston. Those are beaches in Texas.
Okay. South Padre Island and Galveston.
hmm Those are places that many people go to the
So,
beach.
Liz, these are the places of Texas.
Yeah, those are in Texas.
Did you get me? Right.
Mm.
Connection
Yeah,
is
and if you're
lagging.
in,
That's why my voice reaches to you. Little behind.
yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, and yeah, so these are places in Texas. If you're interested in going to the countryside, yeah, then you can go to other parts of Texas, but
Okay.
those are, cities in Texas.
Okay, okay, okay. So try to tell me about all the places you know where I should visit in Texas.
Well, those are the main places. Texas is quite big. So it's if I want to drive from South Texas to
Okay.
North Texas, it would take me maybe 10 hours to drive.
Oh, it's quite long.
Yeah, Texas is the second largest state in the United States. Yeah, so it's quite large. I'm more familiar with South Texas, of
Okay.
course, because I live in South Texas. And I'm not too familiar with maybe
That's why.
North Texas.
Okay, okay, okay. I get it. And so these are about the places that you know in Texas, right? Is there anyone
Yeah,
else that you
that
want to
many
say?
people want to go. Well, those are the main places that people want to go to. Um, if you're interested in space as well, like not just NASA, but SpaceX, uh, you can go to Brownsville.
Okay. Well, let me check. SpaceX, yeah. Hmm.
Mhm. Yeah, and that's in Brownsville. That's where I live,
Brownsville.
actually.
How do you pronounce it? Can you tell me?
Brownsville.
Brownsville. Okay.
Mm. That's where SpaceX is located, and that's actually where I live.
Okay. Okay. So, well, if I visit Austin, the first name that you wrote,
Hmm.
what would I get to see there?
Many things. So if you're interested in music, then that would be a good place to go. There are many bands that start in Austin, many local Austin bands or bands from other places.
Okay.
So it has a big music scene. There's also many small cafes and restaurants and small places where you could go to. The motto in Austin is "Keep Austin Weird." But what that means is that they try to
Okay.
uh, make it so that it's not very corporate, right? Because corporations start making everything look the same. So their motto is just
Okay,
to keep.
Liz. So
Mhm.
tell me, excuse me. So tell me that Keep Austin Weird. This is the name of the music, the band.
No, no, it's a logo. It's the what people say in Austin. It's a saying.
Oh, okay, okay. It's a common saying, you mean.
Hmm. Yeah, the motto. Just like in
Keep
Texas, the
Keep
saying.
Austin Weird.
Hmm. Hmm. So I saying keep it different, keep it because in many places corporations are everywhere, so they look the same. You go to Starbucks and they have very similar things and so on. And in this case, it's saying make it different, keep it so that it doesn't look the same as every other place. And because of that, yeah,
So
it
so
sounds a bit more
people
interesting.
say,
Mm?
okay, so people say weird in a positive sense, you mean,
Yes,
right?
yeah, yeah, because they're saying keep it
So
different, keep it
basically they
weird.
want to say that, okay, keep it different, right?
Keep
This
it
is the
unique.
actual meaning of it.
No, no, no. The
Okay,
actual
okay.
thing is keep Austin weird. That's the actual like the saying. But weird in this case, it's used in a positive aspect, not in a negative.
Okay. So do you find musicians or band party in the street if you visit there?
Maybe not in the street unless there's a celebration, a particular celebration. But there are many places to go, like venues, like bars or um, other concert places for bands to play at.
Okay. Liz, can you speak a bit louder, please?
Well, let's see. Can you hear me better?
Now it's good because your microphone was little far from your lips. That's why.
Mm.
I'm in your mouth. So sorry to
Mm.
say.
Well, I mean,
Okay.
they are my lips.
So,
Yeah.
mhm. And so it was about the Austin and what's about the Houston?
Mm. Well, there are
What's
many
the
job
speciality?
opportunities. For example, there are many job opportunities in
Hmm.
Houston because Houston's a big city. So many people go there because of that. They might prefer Austin because maybe they think Austin is more interesting, but Houston has many job opportunities. There's a big medical community there, so there are many hospitals and many doctors that specialize in different things. Like for example, my mom is sick
Okay.
and she has cancer, so right now she's living in Houston because there she has good doctors and good care.
Oh, so sorry to hear that from you.
Mm,
But it's true, right?
mm, yeah.
I got it. Okay, okay. I thought you were just giving a sample.
No, no, it's true. Yeah, and of course you can find
Oh,
NASA there. So if you're
okay.
interested in, space or anything like that, that would be a good place to go. There are also, yeah, many different um, places you can go to.
So NASA
Uh,
is in Houston, right?
yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's the main specific place to visit in Houston.
Yeah, I mean there
And
are other
okay,
places, but that's
so
an interesting place.
okay, and about the next one is San Antonio, right?
Mm.
So why should I visit San Antonio?
Well, many people go there because there's a water park in San Antonio. Um,
Okay,
let me try to remember. Six Flags. Yeah, Six Flags is there. That's the name of the water park, and many people go there because they want,
Six
to
Flags.
have fun. Hmm.
Okay, this is the name of the water park.
Yeah, and
So
there
it's
are,
like Aqua Park.
yeah, a water park. Yeah, where um,
Okay, okay.
you can ride different things, get in the water, and there are also uh, many um, many attractions like roller coasters and so on. Yeah, so it's a fun
Oh, okay.
place for many
That's,
families to
that's
go.
really nice. Uh-huh.
Yeah, and there's also called well, and there are also other things, but that's all these cities are more like central area of Texas.
Oh, okay. It's like these are in the center of Texas.
Hmm. Yeah, because then if you go to the north, then it's a little bit different, and or the south will be a bit different. Um, but um, or on the northeast part, not sorry, not north, southeast part of Texas, then you have the beaches because it's on the Gulf of Mexico. So
Okay.
if you like warm water, it tends to be, warmer there
Gulf of
versus
Mexico. Okay.
other places. And the Gulf of Mexico, that's where you have like so Texas is part of that. Also, Florida, is on the Gulf of Mexico, the the west side of Florida. Uh, Cancun, which is in Mexico. So all of that is part of they're all
Okay.
on the Gulf. Cuba as well as
A
part
lot
of,
of
yeah, it's on the Gulf.
information. Oh yeah, Cuba. I've heard of it.
Mm. A small
Cuba,
country.
which is also known as the bowl of sugar, right?
The what? I couldn't hear you.
The bowl of sugar. The
Oh,
bowl of